Hello everyone. Today we will show you the new Lava B8. This is the latest QWERTY phone launched by Lava with a 3.2 megapixel camera, a stylish looks, and pushmail. What we will show you is where we have different features in B8 where you use internet and things like that. So we'll quickly show you how to do settings, because I'm pretty sure a few people might be facing a bit of difficulty doing all the settings. So to start with, I will show you first of all how to do WAP settings, and then we will move on. Before you start doing the settings, I would request that it's always good if you can call your subscriber, your operator, and check with them that what are the manual settings. Take the APN and also check that you have GPRS data account on your plan. Only then on your card, I would say, only then you will be able to use pushmail on the phone. So please call your operator and check that you have an active GPRS data plan, and please check what is the APN settings. So to start with, we go to menu, we go down to web. In the web we have an option which says data account. Go into data account, go into GPRS. In GPRS we go to the operator. So for me the operator is Airtel, so I will go into Airtel. So in Airtel you might have two things, Airtel and Airtel Live. For GPRS I will go to Airtel Live. I go to edit. So I have called my operator and they say that sorry, a call comes. Okay, they say that the settings are airtelgprs.com. So now what I do is I go into APN, open it. So I do it airtelgprs.com. Please make sure that these are the updated settings, because sometimes the operators update settings time to time. So for Airtel right now it's airtelgprs.com. Done. Go back. Okay, now I go back to WAP. In WAP I will go down to settings. In the settings, first I will select my SIM card, which is SIM1, and then I will go to profiles, SIM1. I will select Airtel Live here because mine is Airtel Live. Also I might go to edit profile to check few things out. I go to connection type, which is HTTP, go inside, go in here. So I make it yes, and then when I go down, please make sure that everything is 0 here. So if something is there, make it 000. Go down, proxy port also make 0. Then go up in use proxy, do no, and done. And then I come out. So in data account we have different accounts. So I go to GPRS and I select my Airtel Live account because I want to use Airtel Live. So done. Save. So once I have made these changes, my internet will start working. So to check this out, I will go back and I go back to home page, and this will open my home page for Airtel Live. Okay, this also depends on the speed from the subscriber. Okay, see, this is the Airtel Live home page, so this means that the net is working. Now other settings which I need to make are, I go to menu, go down to applications. Here I have Java settings. In Java settings I can do Java backlight on. This will be for all Java operations. Vibration I can make it off if I want to, or on. I go to SIM, select SIM. Again I'm using SIM1 right now, so I've selected SIM1. Java SIM1 profile, I go to this. So sorry, Java SIM1 profile. You can also leave it at default, but it's always good if you know which one you want to use. I want to use Airtel Live, so I have done it as Airtel Live. So now my Java will also work. Like I go to Opera Mini, I launch Opera Mini, and this will open Opera Mini. So for the first time it might take some extra time, but once this is done, from next time it will take lesser time. So this is Opera Mini. I can use Facebook, I can use India Times, mobile store, etc. I can also add other things in Opera Mini. Same way, exit, yes. Okay, I also have Snap to and Nimbus for different applications. Also very good option we have here is instant messaging. If I go to instant messaging, I can use MSN, I can use Yahoo, Skype, Facebook, but please make sure that you have GPRS data plan. If you don't have the data plan, then these things will not work. If you only have WAP, so only WAP will work, but these all applications need GPRS data to work. Okay, now I go to email. This is my email and this is Pushmail. I will go down again to network settings for Pushmail. Here also data account, I will select my SIM and I will select this Airtel Live account. So please make sure that you see the right APN here, which is Airtel. Okay, Airtel Live, Airtel GPRS. So I select this, and in proxy it should be no. Proxy address should be 000, same ways. Okay, now I go to getting started. For the first time I accept the license agreement. Okay, and as this time is it's evening, the network might be a bit congested, so it might take extra time. I register. So in the username I will enter any username which I want to keep. So let's say if I want to have LKJ, I'm just selecting just any username. Done. Password. Okay, I will select any password for myself. I'm creating an account on the server, the Pushmail server, for the first time. So registering this phone on the Pushmail server. Once I have registered, I can add more email accounts to this. I can add up to 10 email accounts to this. So let's see. The network, as I told you, might be a bit busy right now, and this depends on the network speed provided by the operator. So Pushmail registering. Let's see. Once this is registered, I will also show you how to add more email accounts to this, and after that I will quickly show you how to use Wi-Fi. As till the time this gets registered, I will quickly tell you for Wi-Fi. If you want to use Wi-Fi for Pushmail and Java applications, you will have to go into settings again and select Wi-Fi. See, this got registered now. This is my server, and now in this I will have to add more email accounts. So I go to email account, and right now it's empty. I go to options, new account. So I can add all these accounts. If I want to add something else which is not from MSN, Gmail, Yahoo or Rediff, I will go to other email account. I will enter my email address here. Once I have entered my email address which I want to add, I will enter the password. Once I have entered the password, I will do it done and yes, and it will be added. Once everything is added, okay, let me go back. So once everything is added, you will see inbox, and if you want to retrieve the mails, it will automatically come when you get an email in your account. It will automatically show here inbox 1, and you can also I'll quickly show you the settings. These are the settings. So settings, if let's say if something you want to make any changes, you want to set the time when you get the emails, like you don't want to get the emails in the night, you can set the time. In the system settings, you can change the ringtone, whatever you want for your email. Let's say when an email comes, what kind of ringtone you want, you can do all these settings. So done, yes. So this is how you add your emails to the account, and you just come out, and whenever the email comes, it will automatically pop up here as a push mail for you. So this is a very good phone for you. Now you can add your office accounts, up to 10 email accounts. Now let's go to Wi-Fi. This is in manage connections. This is the Wi-Fi. You will have to enable the Wi-Fi, and it searches for you. You also have a shortcut key here, which is this Wi-Fi key. When you press this, it enables and closes it. So if I enables, it will search the networks which are available, and then it will ask you if I want to change the. I can go back here. Oh, I have already saved my password, so it automatically connects to the Wi-Fi available here. But I can obviously see the status, Wi-Fi status. So as it shows lava, this is my Wi-Fi. So what I can do is, this is the IP address and everything. This shows that I am already connected. So but for a normal user, what you will do is, when you will enable it, you can go to search for networks, and you can select the network. It will, if you say connect, it will ask you for the password. Enter the password, done, and it will save. It will connect you to the Wi-Fi. So if you go to details, this will show you the details. Just make sure that when you go to details of the password, and whatever you say as security, you might have to sometimes go into define access point, and in encryption code you might have to make sure that it's the same. Whatever you see there is mentioned here as well. If it's giving you any kind of problem, just make sure that this is mentioned here, and you will be able to connect it to Wi-Fi. Once the Wi-Fi is active, connected, you can use your push mail and other applications. Like if I go to, I will have to exit this to do settings, and then I can go to network settings, and I can, instead of Airtel, I can use Wi-Fi, and then my pushmail will work on Wi-Fi. And same goes for other Java applications and WAP as well. If I want to use my web on Wi-Fi, so sorry, go to web and WAP settings, where we have select same, just select any same, but in profiles, whatever same you have selected, instead of anything else, make it WLAN. When you select WLAN, this means it will use Wi-Fi to access internet. So these are some of the settings which you might use for B8. So once these settings are done, I'm pretty sure it will be easy to handle. The only thing you need to take care of is please call your operator and check that you have the data plan active, and please check what is the APN setting to use GPRS data plan. Please make sure that you have the right APN setting and you save the right APN settings. Thanks. Have a good day. Goodbye.